How to unlock chats on WhatsApp. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to do it. After you open up your WhatsApp, all you have to do now is swipe down your chat like this. After you swipe down, as you can see, you see this lock chat. So now if you want to view the lock chat, tap on this lock chat. Use your face or your fingerprint to open it. So as you can see, here is the chat that I lock. It is only one chat. So if I lock more than one chat, I can be able now to see the list of the chat that I lock in this section. So now tap on the chat that you want to unlock. Tap on the person name. Scroll to down. Tap on this section, chat lock. So use your face or fingerprint again. So as you can see now, I turn off now the lock chat. So now if I go back again, as you can see now under the lock chat, now I have no chat that I lock. That's it guys on how to unlock chat on WhatsApp. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.